Roundabouts. Some people love them. Some still think they're a test from the DMV. But here in Twin Falls, they're here to make driving safer and smoother once you know how to use them. Step 1. Slow down. It's a roundabout, not a race. Step 2. Yield to traffic already in the circle, coming from your left. If it's clear, go ahead and enter. Easy, right? Yeah, don't do that. The middle isn't a shortcut. Good news! This roundabout is single lane, which means one way in, one way out. No tricky lane changes here. But keep in mind, as Twin Falls grows, future roundabouts may include 2 lanes. So the same rules of slowing down and yielding still apply. Don't panic. If you miss your exit, just go around again. That's the beauty of a roundabout. Infinite retries.
Nailed it.
See flashing lights or hear sirens? Don't stop in the roundabout. If you haven't entered, pull over and wait. If you're already in the roundabout, finish your route, exit the roundabout, then pull over safely. So next time you approach a roundabout, remember, slow down, yield left, stay in your lane. Roundabouts keep Twin Falls moving, safely and smoothly.